Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the one-liner question, that is SSC CGL, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. That is part 25. So, as you can see, I had already discussed up to part 24. You can directly go through whatever the playlist have been given. This is one thing I just want to tell, that initially we have in the Vice Royalty, the Archaeological Department for the Preservation of Indian Artistic Heritage was established by whom? That is established during the royalty of what? That is Lord Curzon was the one during his viceroyalty. Whatever the Archaeological Department for the Preservation of Indian Artistic Heritage was established. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the Lord Curzon looks like. He was the one responsible for the partition of the Bengal, which was happened in the year 1905. Now we have the Tiger Reserve Forest of India. As you can see, they are in maximum number. We will find this type of tiger reserves in Sundarban Delta, which is in West Bengal. The island in horseshoe shaped, that is atoll is the island. You can directly go through internet. You will find how exactly the island looks like. It is in the shape of horseshoe. The river valley generally becomes broad due to solidification. This is one procedure. Solidification is the process in river valley that generally becomes broad because of solidification. Next we have the thermal equator is identified as the area of highest mean temperature. Please remember, whatever the thermal equator which is identified as the area of highest mean temperature is the one. Next we have the type of individual behavior assumed in economics is rational. So here one thing you have to remember, the type of individual behavior assumed in economics is rational. The law of nations is applicable to international relations. This is one thing. Whatever the law of nations which is applicable to international relations. The value of goods and services produced in a country within a year is known as gross national product at market price. Please remember GNP at market price, that is the value of goods and services produced in a country within a year is known as gross national product at market price. Here as you can see how exactly GNI with GNP, this is one thing you have to remember, gross national income and national product, that is something you have to understand. Next we have India's earliest contact with the Islam came through that Islam came through the Arab invasion of Sindh. That is the main reason from where the Islam had spread. The pioneer of Bhakti movement, that is, as you can see to the right side how exactly the Ramanuja looks like. He was the main reason to spread the Bhakti movement. So he was the pioneer of the Bhakti movement, that is Ramanuja. Akbar was crowned at Amarkot. We knew that at Amarkot, Akbar was crowned at the young age, at the age of 13 itself. The establishment of first three universities of India, that those are Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. These are the three places where the universities have been set up by the Charles Woods Dispatch is the one who had set up the three universities. The places are Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join on Defense ICTA Telegram and you can share whatever the 800 question papers have been given. They are all very valuable. So you can directly go through whatever has been given in the playlist. They are all best. You can go through whatever you have. Exchange rate of currency is determined by the supply of demand for the currency in the international market. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. Whatever the exchange rate of currency is determined by the supply of and demand of the currency in the international market. That is known as exchange rate of currency. Next we have the combined session of both houses of parliament can be called to remove differences on non-financial bill. Please remember, whatever the combined session of both the houses of parliament can be called to remove differences on non-financial bill. Next we have the no confidence motion is accepted by Lok Sabha only when number of its supporters are not less than 50. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the no confidence motion which is accepted by the Lok Sabha only when number of its supporters are not less than 50. If they are more than, then it is okay, the minimum it has to be 50. Next we have Union Parliament can make law on any subject of state list if Rajya Sabha supports with two-third majority. This is one thing you have to remember. Union Parliament can make law on any subject of state list if Rajya Sabha supports with two-third majority. An ordinance remains in force till 6 weeks after the commencement of next session of legislature. This is one thing. Whatever the ordinance which remains in force till 6 weeks after the commencement of next session of legislature. The important alloy composed of aluminium, copper and magnesium. These are all the mixtures that is duralumin. In this we have the aluminium, copper as well as magnesium present in this. Combination of all these three makes duralumin. In the next slide, as you can see, when white light is passed through a glass prism, the color that refracted most is, that is, we knew that which is refracted the most. As per the given option it is blue, but you know that maximum refraction takes place whenever the white light passes through a glass prism. We have the VIBGR. In this we find violet will be the maximum bending and followed by indigo and blue. So in that option the blue has been given, so I had put the blue. Otherwise, so maximum dispersion or deviation takes place by violet. The term gene was coined by, we knew that gene word was coined by Jonassen. So Jonassen was the one who had coined the term gene. The organ responsible for the purification of blood, that is kidney, because the functional unit of kidney is nephron. The fat tissue containing large number of cells that store fat drops or oil globules is called ligament. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. What exactly the ligament? You can see to the right side how exactly the muscle looks like. So this is one thing you have to remember, how exactly the ligament looks like. So ketones, carbon dioxide and fatty acid, this is one thing. In, as you can see, the brain also, you can see the everything, whatever you have, heart, liver, we have everything, you can directly see this. So what exactly is the fat tissue containing large number of cells that store fat drops or oil globules is called ligament. So this is one thing you have to remember. The term Satyagraha was coined by Gandhiji in South Africa itself. In the railway station he started doing the Satyagraha, which was coined by Gandhiji. According to Gandhiji, religion and politics are inseparable from each other. So we can't, they are different. Religion, politics are, they are all inseparable from each other. And we knew that the Gandhiji was the one who had formulated do or die slogan. So this is one thing you have to remember. We knew that who has been given the name of father of nation to the Gandhiji, that is Subhash Chandra Bose, and the Mahatma has been given by the Rabindranath Tagore. Next we have the award of Chameli Devi is given to the women in the field of journalism. You can see Chameli Devi Jain Award in 2019. It has been given to Rohini Mohan. She is a journalist. Arfa Kanum, as you can see, another journalist. So they have received the Chameli Devi Jain Award. Next we have the famous science fiction The Time Machine was written by, this fiction, The Time Machine, was written by H.G. Wells. Next we have the famous book The Downing Street Years has been written by Margaret Thatcher. We knew that the famous book, whatever, The Downing Street Years, has been written by Margaret Thatcher. The growing plants need maximum what? That growing plants need maximum nitrogen, which directly gets from the soil. The author of the book, that is The Moor's Last Sigh. We knew that there is a book, the book is The Moor's Last Sigh, has been written by whom? That has been written by Salman Rushdie. The non-metallic mineral, that is asbestos. We knew that the non-metallic mineral is asbestos. The LPG liquid Liquefied petroleum gas is a mixture of, that is, butane and propane. This is one thing you have to remember. LPG is a mixture of butane as well as propane. As you can see, there is a mobile number. You can call me whatever you want. If you have any queries, you can directly download whatever you want. Like, you can directly take the 2100 PDF of GK and GS if you call me or message me by WhatsApp. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. If you feel that any discrepancy, please let me know by messaging or commenting in the section. Thank you.